Here's some Pago Pago trivia. Subscribe. What is the capital of American Samoa? Is it A, B, Honolulu, C, Hagåtña, or D, Pago Pago? The correct answer is D, Pago Pago. Which U.S. territory includes Pago Pago? Is it A, U.S. Virgin Islands, B, American Samoa, C, Puerto Rico, or D, Guam? The correct answer is B, American Samoa. What ocean is Pago Pago located in? Is it A, North Atlantic Ocean, B, South Pacific Ocean, C, Indian Ocean, or D, Southern Ocean? The correct answer is B, South Pacific Ocean. What type of climate does Pago Pago have? Is it A, tropical rainforest, B, desert, C, tundra, or D, savanna? The correct answer is A, tropical rainforest. Which national park is located near Pago Pago? Is it A, Glacier National Park, B, Yellowstone Park, C, Yosemite National Park, or D, National Park of American Samoa? The correct answer is D, National Park of American Samoa. What year did American Samoa become a U.S. territory? Is it A, 1900, B, 1898, C, 1912, or D, 1925? The correct answer is A, 1900. What is the primary industry supporting Pago Pago's economy? Is it A, fishing, B, agriculture, C, tourism, or D, manufacturing? The correct answer is C, tourism. Which species of fish is a significant catch in Pago Pago? Is it A, catfish, B, salmon, C, swordfish, or D, tuna? The correct answer is D, tuna. What is the major postal code for Pago Pago? Is it A, 2345321, C, 9679, or D, 98765? The correct answer is C, 96799. Which city serves as the main commercial center of Pago Pago? Is it A, Fagatogo, B, Manua, C, Amuli, or D, Mulinu? The correct answer is A, Fagatogo. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.